Yes, good morning. Today is 4th April 2022, and today we had a wonderful day. I gave a trade on 37,400 CE and 37,500 CE, and again 600 CE because the market was bullish. As you can see here, I messaged you in the Telegram group. The market has closed Friday above the resistance, which means there are high probability of opening the market gap up. It can continue the trend or it can pull back as well because the market opened at control center, point of control. But luckily we had a good aggressive buyers and the market moved exponentially good. And you know what, we made a very good points today, and really we are happy. And people who joined, they made a really good trade, and the trades, all the details has been shared in the Telegram channel, that is live trade. Okay, so we made totally in just 25 minutes, we made around 1,859 points. And future guys, hold on to this 38336.7. That is 38336 is a very good resistance zone. There is a little rotation can happen. So I informed in the live call today. Okay, the same has been updated in the live trade channel in the Telegram. Okay, that's superb. Okay, so that's one of the best thing we got it today. Okay, continue your day. I just recorded to show you guys that this is how the open drive strategy works. Today is an open drive strategy. This is an open and drive. Okay, you can see there's a point of control formed here. Okay, point of control which can rotate right now. Okay, so that was a good thing. This strategy, the open drive strategy, is being explained in 1,000 point strategy, which is available in our group, in our website. So you can go for it and learn how to trade in using order flow analysis. So as I told you in the group, 38336 is a good resistant. Okay, watch out for that. See, you can see there it's coming back. Okay, so that's a good news. Okay, so guys, many people who have missed the trade today because they were pinging, for them they have recorded. So it's a live call happening here, okay, so just give me a minute. Okay, so can you guys see here the Bank Nifty future is going above the resistance. Okay, it's going above the resistance which I told you. So it is breaking its resistance. So watch out for this level. Okay, don't be greedy. Okay, people who have already taken the trade in my Telegram channel or booked the profit, very good. If you're booked very good, I'll wait for my another call. Okay, if there are any good trades, definitely I'll share it in the Telegram channel. Okay, and followed by you will have a lot of good news coming in. Okay, in case if you want to join the Telegram live trade, you can go for it. It's only 3,000 per month. Okay, this is purely for education purpose only. In case if you're not able to join the live call, the same will be updated in the Telegram group. Okay, that is called live trade, iGrow Traders live trade Telegram group. The same will be updated there, where you can use it for your education purpose. It's up to you. Okay, so please do your analysis as well. And today is an open drive strategy. This strategy is available in the 1,000 points package. Okay, so all the very best guys. Happy trading, happy money. Any good trades, I will surely update you in the Telegram group. Stay connected. Please do subscribe for my channel and stay updated. Okay, yeah, take care. Bye bye.